Feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Don't worry, you're not alone. Whether you're just starting out or just tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this video will show you how to budget and manage your money easily and effectively from scratch. Let's break it down step by step. No fluff, no finance degree needed. 1. Know your why. Before touching a spreadsheet or writing anything down, ask yourself, why do I want to budget? Common reasons are typically to stop overdrafting, to pay off debt, to save for a goal, vacation, emergency fund, house, to just feel in control. Write your why down. Put it on a sticky note in your phone's notes app or anywhere visible. This will keep you focused when you feel tempted to give up or overspend. 2. Know what's coming in. You need to know your net income. That's your take-home pay after taxes and deductions. Step by step. Look at your last 1-2 paychecks or bank deposits. Add up all income sources, salary, side gigs, tips, government benefits. Use your monthly total, not yearly. If your income is inconsistent, use your lowest monthly average from the last 3 to 6 months to stay safe. 3. Know what's going out next. Look at where your money is going. This part surprises most people. Step by step, pull your last 2 months of bank statements. List every recurring charge, bill, and purchase. Group into 3 categories. 1. Essentials or your needs, rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, gas and or transportation, insurance, minimum debt payments. 2. Non-essentials, your wants, restaurants, streaming services, shopping, subscriptions. 3. Financial goals, savings, extra debt payments, emergency fund. Your goal? Awareness first, adjustments later. Highlight anything that surprises you, like subscriptions you forgot about, or spending more than you thought on food. 4. Choose a budgeting method. There's no one-size-fits-all. Here are 3 easy ways to structure your budget. Option A, the 50-30-20 rule. Super simple, perfect for beginners. 50% of your income are for your needs. 30% of your income are for your wants. 20% of your income are for your savings or debt payoff. Example, if you take home $3,000 a month, $1,500 is for rent, bills, groceries, $900 is for fun, dining, or extras, and $600 is for your savings or debt. Option B, zero-based budget. Give every dollar a job until your income. Expenses equal $0. Step by step. Write down all your income. List every expense, even fun. Allocate every dollar to a category. If you have money left, assign it to savings, debt, or goals. This method gives you full control and works best if you're detail-oriented. Option C, envelope or digital envelope budgeting. Assign a spending limit to each category. Use actual envelopes, cash, or apps like Good Budget or Every Dollar. When the envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. Great for people who struggle with impulse spending. 5. Set up a weekly money check-in. This is where most people fail. They set a budget but don't track it. Once a week, look at your accounts. See if you're sticking to your categories. Try your best to hold yourself accountable. Adjust if necessary. You can do this with a notebook, notes app on a mobile device, budgeting apps like YNAB, Mint, Monarch, or your bank's tool. The goal is not perfection, it's progress. 6. Automate the essentials. Make your money work without relying on willpower. Automate bill payments so you never miss due dates. Set up automatic transfers to savings. Even $20 a week adds up. Use auto deposit if you're building an emergency fund or sinking fund, like holiday spending. Out of sight, out of temptation. 7. Give yourself grace and keep going. You're going to mess up. That's normal. Budgeting is a skill, not something you master overnight. The win is in showing up each month. You'll get better. You'll feel more in control. And eventually, you'll start making your money move. Let me know in the comments. What's the hardest part of budgeting for you? I'd love to hear where you're stuck or where you've made progress. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more weekly content to help you manage money smarter. Share with someone who needs a simple money reset.